Windows boot loop. This fixes it. No reset. To break the loop, you need to get into this recovery screen first. You've got two ways to do it. If Windows loads far enough to show you this login screen, come down here in the bottom right corner, click on Power, hold down the Shift key, don't let go. Click on Restart. Keep your finger on that Shift key, don't let go. It should bring you back to the recovery screen. If it doesn't and you can't make it to that screen, what you gotta do is hold down the power button on your machine, turn it off as soon as it starts to reboot, kill the power, turn the PC on, and as soon as you see the logo, hold down the power button and turn it off again. Do this 3 times. This will trigger this recovery screen. Step 2, uninstall updates. So first thing we're going to do is go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Uninstall Updates, and then you can uninstall the latest quality update or the feature updates. I recommend doing the quality ones first, restart, and see how you get on then. If that solves your problem, stop there. If not, repeat the steps to come back here, and then uninstall the latest feature update. In the recovery, if we go back one step, click on Startup Repair. It should say diagnosing your PC. Windows will do some checks to make sure there's no issues, and it will attempt to fix itself. This fixes all broken boot files and anything else that's corrupted. If you get this screen, Windows says it can't repair your machine. We need to open up a command prompt and just do some manual scanning. I know the command in the description below. So we need to go back to Advanced Options, then go to Troubleshoot again, Advanced Options, Command Prompt this time, and this box should pop up. So we need to do check disk first. So CHKDSK space C /F. Press Enter. So as you can see by this, it'll show you here all the different files and examine. There's no bad ones on mine because it's a demo machine, but you may have some on yours. This next one's pretty long, so I'll leave this in the description for you. So what we need to run now is SFC Scan there. As you can see, it's verifying all the system files. Okay, now the system files are done. Now we've completed that, we need to restart the computer. Close this box. Continue. PC should reboot. If it's still looping after this, it could be a hardware issue. Usually the memory or the hard drive, in which case they're starting to fail. It might be worth replacing them. You don't need to replace the whole PC, just a couple of components, or get a computer engineer and somebody knows what they're doing to test it for you. So, quick recap. We remove the update, we run the startup repair, we run the command list last. They're the 3 go-tos that I use for fixing PCs. If you just fixed your PC, don't stop here. Check out the next video on screen now. It'll take you to your PC even further, and I'll see you over there.